Managing forklift operations was designed specifically for those responsible for overseeing forklift use, to help them uphold safety, compliance, and productivity on their sites. We've trained more than 2,000 managers on our current face-to-face course, with very positive feedback. But customer and industry demand suggests that alternative, flexible learning methods are required too. Introducing the Managing Forklift Operations e-learning course. It meets all the objectives of the face-to-face course, including understanding moral and legal responsibilities, recognizing unsafe practice and how to reduce risk, how to reap financial benefits by reducing injuries and costs. Plus, e-learning provides many added benefits. It protects operational productivity, reduces travel time and costs, as well as internal administration time. To ask for a free demo today, call Mentor on 01246 555 222.